Now, the next thing I want to show you is a bit more lighthearted. No puppies get eaten in it, so don't worry.
Okay.
It uses Arlo and some of our other puppets. And it uses a whole bunch of puppeteers. I think I have about 5 or 6 puppeteers in these next 2 clips. These are both Arlo clips. And I believe both of them, you can see what's happening in the background. So a lot of times, like in that one, it's zoomed in so you don't see the puppeteer. This one we zoomed out because on purpose, we wanted people to see how it works. Because a lot of times you wonder, what's everyone doing down there? Because one thing we were talking about earlier is the way puppeteers generally do puppetry for film is they're not holding the puppet next to them like this, like we have been a lot of today. They duck down low and they hold the puppet up and make it seem like they're alive and that, like I'm in the real world, standing on the ground, looking at you guys using my computer, okay? So again, in this one, you will be able to see all the behind the scenes of what goes into it. So, and these next 2 were actually real audition videos for us to be on a puppet competition show on NBC. But they liked us, but the problem is the show never ended up happening. So it's not like we didn't make it. The show didn't end up happening. But anyway, here it is. Here's the first one.
And here's Arlo!
Hello everyone and welcome to Arlo's Art Show, the show where we make art every day. Today we're going to be making a splatter painting.
Oh. That sounds like it's gonna be
fantastic!
What supplies do we need, Arlo?
We're going to need a canvas, brushes, and a
Canon!
Everyone, this is my special guest.
Oh, the fabulous Felix Fizzle! I'm the greatest magician in the country!
But he's not so good in the city.
Everybody, my trusty assistant,
Pinky Buddy! Ta-da!
Pinky? Where's my Canon?
But you can't make art with a cannon!
Oh, sure you can. You got insurance, right?
But making art takes technique. I don't think your way's gonna work.
Oh, you don't, huh?
That sounds like a musical cue to me!
Let's make art!
Pinky, go get my supplies. They're in the van. Go! Yeah.
First, you want to pick your favorite colors, dip your brush in, and then fling it at the canvas. Isn't that fun?
Brushes? Where we're going, we don't need brushes. Oh, yeah, look at that.
If you want, you can put thick layers of paint on. That technique is called impasto.
Did someone order some impasto?
Ooh, you bet I did. Order up. Look at that.
Jackson Pollock is my favorite splatter artist. Sometimes he'd even paint with a stick that he found in the backyard.
Oh, that's pretty nifty, Arlo, but did he ever paint with carrots?
Oh, that's my lunch. Oh, no.
Look at that delicious orange.
It's not an orange, it's a carrot.
Don't forget to paint your happy trees.
Oh, wow. Hey, looking good, boss. Boss, where'd he disappear to?
And now for the big finish.
This could get dangerous! This banana's better!
Run!
Fire in the hole! Oh, I love making art with my magic cannon.
Hey, look. Well, these aren't half bad.
Hey, they look fantastic.
Yeah, wow. Hey, wasn't that a blast?
Thank you. Tip your waiters. Try the veal.
Well, it just goes to show you. Doesn't matter what tools you use, as long as you make art
Every day.
That's all for tonight, folks. We'll see you next time on Arlo's Art Show.
Good job, Arlo.
Want me to teach you how to draw?
Oh, yeah.
I can draw a great rabbit.
Can I join?
Whee!
There it is. There was quite a lot going on in that short time. And now for that, originally we made one that was edited like a movie where it was close-ups everywhere. But the people who were the talent agents wanting to have us on the show didn't believe that we could really do it all in one take. And so that's what we did. We showed them. We sure can. Okay. Now, the last one here is probably my favorite one of all. It was part 2 of the audition. So we sent them that audition, and they liked it a lot. And they said, can you do something a little bit more crazier? They said, we like the magic. Put some more magic into it. So this one, we have a lot of really cool effects in it. One of them is Arlo becomes invisible, which is really fun, okay? And we also saw Arlo in half, which was really fun, too. So watch this. Yeah, Mateo, I think you'll especially like this one, being a magician yourself. Here we go. Arlo's mini little magic show.
Hi, my name's Arlo, and for my talent, I'm gonna do a painting.
Only a painting of the fantastic Felix Fizzle, the greatest magician in the country.
Yeah, but he's not so good in the city. Now
Oh.
stand still.
Oh, Arlo, you're never going to win this competition if your talent is just to make us all watch paint dry.
Well, what do you want me to do? A tap dance?
No. You got to do something magical, something fantastic, something. Ta-da!
Flowers?
Yeah.
That's the oldest trick in the book. What are you
Oh.
gonna do next? Pull my finger?
No. I'm going to need an assistant.
I told you, I'm not gonna help you.
Not you, Banana Brain. I need a trusty assistant.
Ta-da! Binky Bunny!
Yeah.
Happy to be here on NBC.
Pinky, we're going to do our fantastic disappearing monkey trick.
All right. What?
Yeah. All right, now just say the magic
Yes.
words.
Tina Fey is a national treasure.
What'd you do? Change me back?
You feeling a little isolated there, Arlo?
I see what you did there.
Change me back.
All right, quit
All right,
monkeying
fine,
around.
fine,
Okay.
fine.
There you go. You ain't even hurt.
Back to normal.
That was kind of fun.
Yeah.
I knew we'd have him turning tricks in no time. Pinky, grab him from the
Ooh,
next one.
come here, my little
Oh, you
friend.
folks are going to love this one.
Right this way. Put you in this box like so.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to cut you in half.
Get in there, Pinky.
Have you ever done that before?
Once to my brother, so now he's my half-brother.
Oh, brother. I can't watch.
Ta-da!
Hey, he's really got the chop.
Yeah, I knew you'd saw it my way.
I don't think it liked your pun, Felix.
No, I thought it was a cut-up.
Cut it out.
Look out,
I'm out of
everybody.
here.
Head to the Pinky, clear.
Talk about splitting hairs.
You wanted some cutting-edge entertainment, folks.
That's not funny.
Where's that rounded?
Maybe I should have done the tap dance.
All right. We're gonna bring you guys back in with your audio now. So actually, you guys can. It'll be faster if you all turn back on your own mics. But yeah, that was two really fun examples of a whole bunch of different characters. And again, to bring it back to why I wanted to show you that, not just because I thought you might think it was funny and enjoy it, but because if you watched carefully, all of those characters have their own personalities. You know, we couldn't just switch the lines willy-nilly. Something that Binky Bunny says is not something that Arlo would have said, which is not something that Felix the Magician would have said. All these characters have their own unique voices. And now when I say voices, I don't mean the sound of their voice. I mean the types of things they would say because of their characterization that they have, which is what we're going to be focusing on big time tomorrow.